Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a fire call taker here at E-Comm. It's wildfire season and we wanted to give you some pointers on what to do when calling in a wildfire. As a reminder, all burning and bonfires are completely banned in BC right now. For any questions, please contact your local bylaw office. As another reminder, please keep in mind of how you're disposing of your cigarettes. They do not go into the ground or on the earth. When you're calling in a wildfire, important things to keep in mind is location. Where are you and where are we going to get our best access? The size of the fire and where it is in relation to the forest. Is it burning up the trees or just on the ground level? All that stuff will help us. You can call in a wildfire to star 5555 on your cell or 911. Again, that's star 5555 or 911.